So the game changer all-in-one standard insurance product Bima Vistar is the launch may get delayed from 1st January 2024 because the uh, uh, IRDA want this product to be 0% GST. This product should be exempted from present that 18% GST which is charged on the all other insurance products. So, but that decision can only be taken with by GST Council, and GST Council has meeting has not decided because now presently the state elections are going on, and the GST Council meeting can happen only after the completion of the state election and the results. So the launch can get delayed because of this situation. As per our sources, Finance Ministry and IRDA has agreed on the exemption of GST from this all-in-one product, the also Bima Vistar product, which has designed to have a life insurance coverage, health insurance coverage, personal accident and property insurance coverage. So as per our sources, the premium of this product will be between the range of 800 to 1200 per year, and which will give a coverage of life insurance for 2 lakh rupees, personal accident for 2 lakh, and property insurance 1 lakh, and there will be a component of hospi cash in form of health insurance. So once somebody get admitted in the hospital, per day the hospi cash will be given in form of the claim. So this product has been designed by IRDA, but the launch is getting delayed because GST Council is yet to decide on the GST rate which has been proposed 0%. That means no GST will be laid on this product.